What's up, guys? So we got a 1995 Freightliner FLD with a Series 60 Cummins. Had a little mishap last night at the intersection of US 30 and US 41. I guess the driver saw smoke rolling out from under the hood, and so he got out, put it out, and it wouldn't start anymore. So they called a wrecking service. So that's kind of where we're at. Stand salvage. Got my daughter out here with me today. So I ripped off the cables. They're all melted up. He wants new cables. This side all melted the ground, which is red, that somebody else made, and it melted the ground in the battery box back here. So we're gonna go ahead and go make some cables, get a new starter, and get this one back out on the road, see if it'll start up for us. We shall see. Stay tuned, guys. Well, we're back out here at the FLD. We got a new starter. I just picked up the cables, had them custom made. Wasn't trying to do all that myself. So here's all the new cables. There's a starter. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I think I gotta pop the starter off. Just gotta get in there and pop off the starter, and then slam the new one in there, and then route these cables, and then we're going to see if it's going to start. Well, guys, the customer showed up and was kind of over here, so I didn't really film the starter or the cables, but it's running. Put the new starter on there, replaced the cables and the grounds, and it fired right up. So he's hooking up, and he's going to go deliver his load. I guess it caught on fire yesterday morning, so not too bad. Cool old truck. Young cat drives it. So. Alright, guys, thanks for watching. I know this video is short. I wanted it to be longer, but it'll work.